Since from dawn to dusk, the Guardian's day is filled with duty, discovery, and devotion. At precisely 6 a.m., the household alarm system activates. Not the human's alarm clock, but the Guardian begins his patrol. Even from within, no movement outside goes unnoticed. The Guardian ventures beyond his den. The patrol extends beyond the streets. Here, in the open fields, the Guardian enters a vast archive of messages left by his kind.
And then, the eternal rival appears. Silent, swift, and untouchable.
Not every encounter is with a rival. Some are gentler and far more distracting.
In the world of guardians and rivals, nothing rises higher than companionship. For them, there is nothing greater than love.
Every journey must come to its close. As the sun dips lower, the Guardian returns to the safety of his den.
After play comes nourishment. The Guardian returns to his den to replenish his strength. Yet the Guardian's instincts remain sharp. His own ration is never enough when greater prizes are in sight. Though provided with his own ration, the Guardian's gaze turns to the feast of his human companions. Patience is rewarded. A small offering from the human feast confirms the bond between Guardian and companion. With his patrol complete and his hunger satisfied, the Guardian wields to the oldest ritual of all, calm, rest. Even in rest, the Guardian is vigilant. One sound is enough to summon his boundless devotion.
For the Guardian, there is no prize greater than this. The day's patrol ends in the comfort of companionship.
Even at Dale's end, the Guardian's spirit is unbroken. Joy is found in the simplest of rituals. And so the day ends. The Guardian rests, his duties complete, lucid, until tomorrow calls again.
This was a Jungle Roasts special. Follow us for more adventures.